Hello McEowen, I'm here today with Gage Weber and Elite Q, and they are 5th graders at McEowen, and we're here to talk about the math problem of the week. The problem was, what is the greatest 4-digit number that has all the following characteristics? It's an odd number, the sum of the digits is 6, and each digit is different. Gage, how did you go about solving this problem?
First, I knew I had to identify odd numbers, so that I could have an odd number, because it says to have an odd number. Then I got rid of numbers 6 and above. If that left the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And Gage, that's good thinking, because if the sum of the digits was 6, you couldn't use numbers bigger than that then, could you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright?
But I knew that an odd number would have to go in the ones column. If I used 5, I would have to use 2 zeros, which I knew I couldn't do because you can't repeat. A question says that you can't repeat two numbers at the same two numbers. If you use 4, then you'd have to use 2 ones, so I still couldn't do that. So I crossed off 5 and 4. Since each digit had to be different, I could only use 3, 2, 0, and 1. To have the greatest 4-digit numbers, 3 had to be in the thousands place, 2 had to be in the hundreds place, and 1 had to be in the ones place for an odd number, which left 0 for the tens place.
Great thinking, Gage. High five. Boom. Alright, Elite, how did you solve this problem?
First, I wrote down what I knew. I knew that they had to be different numbers. They had to, the sum of all the digits added up should be 6, and it should be odd. Then I wrote down the odd numbers, and I crossed off all the ones above 6.
So I see on your paper, Leap, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different combinations that could have worked. So you eliminated some of those ones?
5 actually.
5 actually. Okay, good.
So I crossed off 7 and 9 because they're above 6. And then I wrote down numbers below 6, and I started experimenting. So, and then I put the numbers together, and I found the one that had that was bigger than the rest of the numbers.
And what did you come up with for an answer?
3,021.
Alright, good job. Way to go, Elite. Okay, so McEowen just wanted to show you there's 2 different ways to solve the problem. Elite used more of a experiment, list the numbers. Engage used more of a paragraph form and reasoning. Alright, so guys, way to go on the math problem of the day. McEowen students, I hope you try the next problem of the week, next week. Good job, guys.